understand we're in our last days. I'm just asking the Lord to come down, bless my city.
I used to wonder, but I know how they felt when Katrina was coming. Cause my city been broke, rained on, burnt down and bloody. Lord knows as a child, I had no morals. It was all about the money. And them bad decisions I made, I learned them from my homies. And them good ones, I learned them from my family. You win some, you lose some. The truth is, life is a gamble. And them 1,000 tattoos don't make you a gangster for real. When the last time you told God thank you, all that pride got you ashamed to. I remember when we ain't had no food or no clues. Asked her moms what we gon' do. And I never forgot when she said God gon' help us make it through. Then Mr. TC came with the food, along with the clothes and the shoes. And the rides, no more walking to school. But it ain't about me, I'm asking God to bless my city too.
God, tell me why it's gotta be so bad. But what's sad is my folks my age getting bad. Little homie, why you ain't even in class? But he said, big homie, I'm taking hits for the bag. Damn son, my whole city's gone bad. My whole city's gone bad.
The second verse from Courtney Oates, ain't nobody probably never feel the way you feel. Damn, we never caught up with them 10 years. I made duos every night when you wasn't here. I believe God bless the time that hold his own, that's why you right here. I know it's funny to my nephew, to me, just listen to your mama cause she worked hard for her money. Mama, I never told you this, but you a strong woman. Pun, I'ma always love you and your kids till my heart stop pumping. Sorry if you learn it from the streets, then it won't teach you nothing. Slow down and raise hope, now that's been a real woman. You owe your kids, nobody owes us nothing. And to BJ, I used to hold a grudge, but now I'm forgiving you for that shit you said on Duke, pound about my mama. And it's hard with no money, but it ain't about me. I'm just asking God to bless my city with a little something.
God, tell me why it's gotta be so bad. But what's sad is my folks my age getting bad. Little homie, why you ain't even in class? But he said, big homie, I'm taking hits for the bag. Damn son, my whole city's gone bad. My whole city's gone bad.
Yeah. Lateef and Mellow Tone. We got another one, man. Been a long time coming. If I could say anything, ask the Lord to come down and put his hands on my city. Buddy, I see you, baby. Shouts out to E Kills, man, for making this happen. And I really mean that. I really mean that. I'm dedicating this last one to my city, though. My baby girl delayed them young peoples and them old folks. I started off hustling from a gram or so. Never estimate the power of a fiend. Thank God they ain't split my throat or killed someone close. Take it back when my city used to do the most. On a penny whistle, riding the ferry boats, or on the field trip at my farm feeding the goats. And I got old enough to know, rolling fast, I ain't talking about no pills though. I'm talking about the COC flow. Wash car wash used to be the spot, boy. Then we hit Clyde Road for the pretty girls with the box braids. And the hustlers where the Michigan and the Michigan State College would go. And the Beavers had the line all the way to the liquor store. Whatever happened to my city though, what's next? JB's, the Palm Tree, Big Al's and Woods barbecue was always a go. And Super Show was always a show. But it ain't about me, I'm just asking God to bless my whole city though.
I'm asking God to bless my whole city though.